In terms of multiracial or biracial people's mental health, I think that there are some unique microaggressions that this population faces. So, for instance, even in the context of one's own family, you may experience racism or microaggressions, certain family members perhaps not fully embracing the fact that you are of mixed racial background. There are experiences whereby you may be white passing as a biracial or a multiracial individual and encounter other white folks who maybe say things that actually are denigrating to your own racial background. And so without them even knowing that you are of African descent, for instance, right? They could say something that's quite hurtful to you. So you get exposed to things that may not have been said if you were more visibly or phenotypically Black, for instance. And then on an institutional level, encountering forms or checkboxes that, you have to assign yourself to a particular socially prescribed racial category. And maybe that doesn't really adequately reflect how you identify. And that can be also very invalidating as a multiracial or biracial individual. There's also this sort of fetishization that we have as a culture around multiracial and biracial individuals. And that has its roots in white supremacy and in sort of this colonial mentality around lightness and fair skin beauty. And I think a lot of biracial people encounter that in their daily lives. Oh, you're so pretty. You've got such beautiful hair, good hair, or light skin, and that can be incredibly damaging to biracial and multiracial peoples.
That's right.